Hi, this is Krista at The Secret Yarnery. Welcome to Match It Monday. This week, so excited, we are matching up Lion Brand Landscapes with its ice yarn equivalent. Beautiful yarns, both of them are beautiful. Super great, fun to work with, great colorways. Everything about Lion Brand Landscape is wonderful, except the price. Wait until you see what is available at Ice Yarn that is very comparable. Ready to see it? So I have a little swatch here. This is a Lion Brand Landscape. I'm sure you're all familiar with it. And this is Ice Yarn Ambient. They are basically very identical except for fiber content. Ambient, this orangey one here, is 50% wool, 50% acrylic, and the Landscape is 100% acrylic. So that is the only difference, is fiber content. You get a bit more of an expensive yarn with the Ice Yarn equivalent. And the colorways are just amazing. I'm sure Landscape has also amazing colorways, but fabulous. And so the only difference is the fiber content. Ice Yarn Ambient has 50% wool, and Landscape does not. Landscape is 100% acrylic yarn. So 100 grams of both of these yarns is 134 meters. So they are exactly the same diameter of yarn. So whatever it says on the label, how you know, you don't totally go by the number, because you can pick a number for your yarn. You can say it's this thick or that thick. There's no like actual, like it's up to you to decide the number. But if you go by the length of yarn and the weight of yarn, so 100 grams, comparable to another yarn of 100 grams, if they have the same length, then each strand is basically the same diameter. I hope that makes sense. So 100 grams, 134 meters. So the Lion Brand Landscape and Ice Yarn Ambient, both 100 gram balls, both exactly 134 meters. Not 135, not 130, 134 meters for each yarn. So yes, Ice Yarn is 50% wool. If you're allergic to wool, then you'll have to stick with the Lion Brand, or the Rainbow. Rainbow's a bit thinner. To be honest, it's not the exact same yarn, but these two exact same yarn. So links for both of these will be in the description box below. You can pop over and check out the colors available in Ambient. Tons of great colors, really beautiful. Oh, price, we can talk about price. Ambient, $2.25 per 100 gram ball before shipping. And Landscapes on Amazon, I'm sure you can do coupons and all that stuff if you are near a big box store. On Amazon, Lion Brand Landscape is $8.34 as of today. Now, if you're Amazon Prime, there's free shipping. If not, I'm not sure what shipping charges there is on Amazon for you. But for Ice Yarns, per 100 gram ball, it is 83 cents. So $2.25 for the ball of yarn. And, oh, I have one right here. $2.25 for the ball of yarn, plus 83 cents for shipping, and that works out to $3.08 delivered to your door. The trick with Ice Yarns is they come in packs of 4, so you would get 4 balls per pack, and to get the cheapest, not the cheapest, because you get a better deal the more you order, but the moderate way of ordering is 6 packs. 6 packs is $19.90, which works out to 83 cents per 100 grams. It's 2.4 kgs, and that is UPS delivery to your door. If you're in Canada, you don't want to do the UPS, you want to do the regular mail, and that kind of scoots underneath customs. And if you're in Australia, you just want to order 2 packs at a time, a regular mail. It takes an extra 4 days to get to you, but it is the dirt cheapest way of getting it to you, and it's not that much longer than express. And with 2 packs at a time, it is ridiculously low shipping. I should actually find out. Karen, what is... Karen knows. Karen, how much does it cost to send 2 packs to Australia? Let us know in the comments below, and then I'll pin her comment to the top so we can all see the deal with ordering ice yarns to Australia. So that is the deal with that, $3.08 delivered to your door. I love it a lot. It works up great. I use it for just about everything that I can. It's such a beautiful yarn. And the colorways are amazing. As you know, if you've seen landscape, I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. But the colors, so dreamy. And because it has wool in it, if you're not allergic to wool, it is so lovely. It just has a luxurious feel to it that landscapes doesn't. Just saying. So great yarn, great bargain. Check out the links below and let me know your opinion about it. Thanks so much for spending this time with me, and see you in the next video. Stay hooked. Ooh, probably forgot a bunch of stuff. If I forgot a bunch of stuff, let me know in the comments below. Thank you. I hope that makes sense. So 100 grams, 134 meters. Oh my God. They're a bit loud. 1 minute. It's Marvin. Hi, Marv. That's my leopard tortoise. I'll be right back. Marv, that's Marvin. Be nice. Hi, Marv. Are you hungry? You're not playing with Marvin. Back up. No, he'll bite you. He'll take off your whole nose. Jiminy crickets. Marvin is my leopard tortoise. Churchill wants to play. He's got his bum in the air and he's like, you will play with me. And Marvin's like, no, but I can totally take off the front side of your face. Anyway.